Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and this is a quick look at the latest version of Firefox. A new version of Firefox web browser has been released today. We are Tuesday, January the 26th, 2021, and so we have the rollout of Firefox 85. If you want to know if you're there or want to force it, simply go to the upper right corner in the hamburger menu. Go down to Help, and here you will have About Firefox. You should be moving on to version 85 if you're not there already. If new features is not something that interests you, at least do it for the bug fixing, for security updates. Quite a few high severity critical flaws that have been discovered, so it also at the same time makes your browser more secure. What's new in this version? Well, there's kind of a revamp of the bookmarks, the way that it's done. So if you use bookmarks, you might see a difference, including the way that bookmarks will appear on the browser. The other thing is the way that it handles super cookies. What are super cookies? Well, you've all heard of cookies, which are little traces left behind that remember some information about you. And these can be useful, but they also can be used for tracking. Super cookies are a different kind. They are often not seen by the browser itself. And what happens is, even if you clear cookies in the settings of your browser, the super cookies are not removed, which is, of course, a little infringement on privacy, I think, here. Firefox 85 actually blocks super cookies. So when it sees that there are some that actually are being used, it actually will stop the tracking and remove them from the browser. So it adds a layer of privacy, preventing super cookies. And I think that's a good thing. I mean, there are ways to track you. It's fine to go to a certain point. But, you know, when websites go too far, I think we have to do a little bit of a cleanup here. So Firefox 85 does that by giving you more privacy with these super cookies on the web. And finally, if you have multiple logins, so when you go to the menu and you go into logins and password, you now can actually delete all the logins of every website rather than one by one. Before, you could not do all of them. You had to do one by one in removal of the login information. Now you actually are capable of, with one click, to remove everything in the browser for login information. So it makes that job easier, especially if you have a lot of accounts that you keep the login information in the browser. So that's pretty much it. And that is, of course, Firefox 85. Of course, like I said, there are security updates also available. So if you're a user of Firefox, just go, once again, to the upper right corner hamburger menu, down into Help, and then About Firefox, and make sure that you update to version 85. That is available today, Tuesday, January the 26th, 2021. Enjoy our videos. Please subscribe. Give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.